Hello, how are you? Welcome to our special products review channel. My name is Isaac, and it's with great pleasure that I present to you this Ryan Shed Plans review video. This Ryan Shed Plans review video is for you who are anxious to start your woodworking project. That's why we prepared this Ryan Shed Plans review for you who want to buy the product and are having some doubts. Because building a shed can seem very difficult. But if you have the right plans and guidance, it can become easier. I have some really important warnings. So watch the video to the end. And pay close attention so that you don't make any mistakes when using or buying Ryan Shed Plans. I also have a surprise for you at the end of the video. You don't want to miss it, do you? The first thing you need to know about Ryan Shed Plans is be careful which website you buy Ryan Shed Plans from. Because Ryan Shed Plans are only sold on the official website to help you. I've left the link to the official website in the description of this video. My Shed Plans is a collection of around 12,000 shed plans and joinery designs suitable for beginners and professionals alike. Its creator is Ryan Henderson, an experienced carpenter with over 20 years experience, who has meticulously drawn up these plans to ensure that anyone, regardless of their carpentry skills, can easily build the shed of their dreams. In my Shed Plans you'll have access to thousands of shed designs and styles, from large outbuildings and garages to small storage rooms and garden shelters and all types of roofs, including gable roof, Gambrel roof, hip roof, penthouse roof, SaltBox roof, hood roof, pyramid, shed roof, flat, and others. On its official website, Ryan Shed Plans guarantees plans designed to be easy for anyone to follow, i.e., no project reading experience is required, and a complete Ryan Shed Plans materials list for each project, so you know exactly what you need to start building. Complete because this list allows you to buy exact quantities. This saves time and reduces waste. It saves money because you only buy exactly what you need to make your shed. There are 12,000 shed plans covering all sizes and styles, from classic to modern designs. Each plan contains all the components of the perfect shed plan, making it much easier to build your shed. You'll get complete step-by-step Ryan Shed Plans, because the plans are so detailed that you'll know exactly what you're doing at every stage of the process. There are no complicated instructions that will make you scratch your head or get confused by technical jargon. If you're a beginner builder and you're trying to figure out how to build a shed, you're in the right place. See now that we have it, or we'll get it guarantee that only Ryan Shed Plans can offer you. There's something really important you need to know. Before you buy Ryan Shed Plans, you can try it for 60 days, and if you don't like it for any reason, they'll give you your money back. So be safe to buy Ryan Shed Plans, but make sure you're buying from the official website too. Guarantee the benefits of the Ryan Shed Plans money-back guarantee. So we decided to record this Ryan Shed Plans review video. First, to tell you to be careful which website you buy Ryan Shed Plans from, as it's only sold on the official website. Also, that Ryan Shed Plans is a good product. If you want to enter this world of carpentry and build the shed of your dreams, my Shed Plans is the right product for you. As we said in this Ryan Shed Plans review, it has 12,000 plans. I haven't counted all the plans, so I can't confirm that number for you. But there are enough plans for you to find what you're looking to build, plus a variety of bonus features. Ryan Shed Plans offers everything you need to bring your woodworking projects to life. Don't let fear stop you. Start building your shed with confidence today, and enjoy the satisfaction of creating something wonderful with your own hands. Remember I told you there was a surprise at the end of the video? Then we prepared 5 complete shed plans for you to download with step-by-step instructions and easy-to-follow designs. Download it now, as it's only available for a limited time. I don't know when the link will expire. So download it today. It's free. The link to the Ryan Shed Plans bonus is at the end of the video description. If you liked it, please like this review of Ryan Shed Plans. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching this video, and see you later.